Now we will work on Spring 2011 Math 112 Test 2, number 13 and number 14. Number 13. We need to solve this equation in fourth fractions. The method that I would like to think of first is LCD method. What is the LCD of 4, 5, and 3? The LCD for 4 and 5 is 20. 5 and 3 is 15. The LCD of 20 and 15 is 60. That's not too big, then I will go on with that. 3 4 times 60. 60 divided by 4 is 15, times 3 is 45, minus 60 divided by 5 is 12, times 4 is 48. 3/5 by 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12, times 3 is 36. 2/3 times 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20, times 2 is 40. Okay, now I hope if you don't know how to do it mentally, then do it at least on scratch paper. 3 over 4, the first term, times 60. Cross cancel. This is 15, this is 1. So 3 times 15 is 45 over 1, or just 45. Okay, that's write it down, then you will see what happened. Now let's continue. I'll remove the x terms first. The smaller coefficient will be negative 48. I'll move this to the right hand side. 45 equals to 36 minus 40x plus 48x, and then I combine it. 45 equals to 36 plus 8x. Then I move the 36. 45 minus 36 equals to 8x. This is 9 equals to 8x. 9 over 8 equals to x. Okay, now keep in mind the equal sign. When you solve equation, the equal sign should form a line. Okay, now do I have to change it back to mixed number? I don't have to, because I don't have mixed numbers to start with. But if you want to, that's okay. You can stop there. But if you make it mixed number, this is what it looks like. That's number 13. Number 14. I need to simplify this. Basically, I need to simplify them into a common denominator. Okay, let me prepare the space first. Now, what is the LCD of 6 and 3 and 8? It's 24, right? And then we will accommodate the variables. The highest exponent for x term is x. The half exponent for the y is y. So the LCD of overall will be 24xy. Okay, and then from there I will adjust the numerator. Multiply this by 4y, right? Therefore on the top I multiply by 4y, that's 20y. Here I multiply by 4x, so on the top that will be 20x. The third fraction, here I multiply by 8y. On the top, if I multiply by 8y, that will be 16y. And here I multiply by 3x. So on the top, if I multiply by 3x, that will be 9x. Okay, now from here then I will put them together in the same fractions. We can do the x terms first and then y terms. Let's say I do the x terms first. 20x minus 9x, that's 11x. Negative 20y minus 16y, that will be minus 36y. Okay, that's for number 14. This is Spring 2011 Math 112 Test 2, number 13 and number 14.